Two of my most favourite things ever: 1, stickers, 2, planners. So what I love to do is take 15 or 20 minutes to plan my week ahead. It's also a really good time for me to reflect on the week I've had, to celebrate everything I've achieved, to see all the to-do boxes that I've checked off. Are you like me? Do you sometimes write small tasks in your planner so you can just check them off straight away? And then it gives me a chance to draw a line under the week, go into the weekend knowing that I can just focus on the weekend, having fun or relaxing, hanging out with my family. And then Monday morning, I get to my desk or I open up my planner for that week and I know that everything is already planned out. I don't need to spend any time wasted on a Monday morning. I can just get straight to it and I know what I'm doing. So it's win, 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 every way you look at it. I also really love spending a Friday afternoon creating some new stickers if I have time to. Let me just tell you though how all of this started, because back in, I think it was 2015, I got into using stickers in my planner, and I'd always used a paper planner and I always loved stickers. I mean, don't we all love stickers? I hope we do. But I'd been following a YouTuber, I'll link her channel below, she's awesome, and I've been following her for a while. She did all kinds of different tutorials and makeup or shopping, hauls, do you remember the haul thing? And I loved following her, but one day she had her paper planner and she was using stickers to decorate and organize her planner. Not gonna lie, I watched her and thought, that is weird. Why are you putting all of those beautiful stickers in your planner? You seem to be taking ages and ages doing it, and then you're writing all over most of them anyway. But I was hooked. I was mesmerized watching her do it, just spending time deciding which stickers that she was going to use, talking through how she was using them and why, laying them out in her planner. They looked so beautiful. They were so aesthetically pleasing. Anyway, I was mesmerized and decided while I was undergoing chemo for a health diagnosis, I was going to make it my creative project to teach myself how to make these stickers too. So I did. And this is why stickers and self-care and planning and therapy, it's all tied together for me. And I think it is for most people who use a planner. We don't only use a planner and we don't only create to-do lists to be super organized. I mean, that's definitely a huge benefit. But we also use planners or stickers or diaries or calendars because we know that spending some time up front, making plans, writing a to-do list, prioritizing, getting things in order, that is what's going to create the white space or the freedom that we really, really want afterwards. And stay tuned because I'm going to share with you soon how you can download these stickers too, so that you can print and cut them at home and create your own beautiful weekly planner spread with these stickers. I already mentioned what a great experience it is to get grateful and to really spend some time in gratitude. We don't do that enough. Just the whole process, even if you're not making your own stickers, but choosing them, deciding on the theme or the color palette, laying them down, it's so creative and it really is a cathartic experience. So I decided to create this sticker kit because, well, look, it's beautiful, but also my husband had designed this CottageCore themed clip art for my Secret Sticker Society sticker making members. And I thought, let's put together a really beautiful weekly sticker kit. I designed them in Silhouette Studio, and I'm designing each sticker in turn so that I can create the kind of stickers that I actually want and need. This is the thing, we can buy stickers from other shops, and I do, but often we want to create specific stickers for our needs. So I'm designing the kind of stickers that I love, often very popular ones like checkboxes or to-do lists or appointment labels or decorative stickers. So I'm creating a white border or an offset around each of my clip art decoration stickers so that I can also use those either on top of my other stickers or to really create a lovely cohesive planner spread in my planner. There's nothing worse than creating a sticker kit and they just don't seem to work, but this is one way that ties them all in. So aesthetically, they look beautiful, they work well together, but practically, I'm also getting the things done that are really important to me. So when I'm planning my week, I really plan in exactly the same way every week. If that sounds boring to you, oh no, it is not, because it means I can do things quicker and I can spend more time on the fun part, like choosing and using the stickers. So I always like to put in first the one thing that's the most important thing that day. So it could be an appointment or a meeting, or it could be a big task or someone's birthday. And so I'll start with that, and then the rest of the day kind of revolves around that one priority. So it's the one big goal. Next, I like to have a little to-do list every day, and when I say little, it might be bigger things or it might be small tasks, but I try not to put more than like 3, 4 or 5 max, ideally 3 things on that to-do list, because I don't know about you, but I like checking things off my list. I don't like looking at a list and seeing what I didn't get done and having to constantly be moving it to the next day. So I'm making sure I've got stickers here for things like my to-do lists, that one big goal every day, any appointments, anything that I really need to remember. If I'm celebrating a birthday, it might be a specific sticker for that. I'm tying it all in with things like headers or washi to section off anything that's important to me, and then everything gets wrapped together with a bow with my decorative clip art stickers. So whether you're using stickers, printing, cutting them, designing them from scratch, or coming up with ideas for your next planner spread, I hope that you feel really inspired by this, and make sure that you download this sticker kit for free so you can use these in your planner at home. So go to the link on the screen now, or go to minjenkinson.com/cottage for CottageCore, and you will be able to grab these gorgeous stickers now and print and cut them at home yourself. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and good luck planning your week too.